So good morning all. For last class we were discussing on moment of inertia of composite sections. Okay, in that we were doing some angle section in the last class. So today we'll go for a T section. Nothing, the same procedure, same principle, everything are same. Just need to follow these things. That's all. Okay. So determine moment of inertia of T section shown about centroidal axis. They have given it as about centroidal axis. Okay, this is the dimensions 80 mm, 20 mm, 100 mm, and this thickness is 20 mm. And see, since this is a symmetric thing, you assume it this as symmetric. 80 mm, this will be 80 mm, so its center is 40, 10 from here, 10 from here. So this length will be what do you call as 30 mm, right? 30 plus 10, 40 plus 10, 50 plus 30. Okay, it will come like that. Okay, this will not be given in the question, but you need to find it out. For finding inertia about centroidal axis, you need two sections here. So if you need to find out this moment of inertia about the centroidal axis, this will be the equation Ixx and Iyy. It's nothing but moment of inertia Ig xx plus a1 into y bar minus, for x here we'll be having y bar minus y1 the whole square. This is what we derived, or we have done this. What is the concept behind this? The distance from the centroidal axis to the centroid of the given section. That's all. So for that you can also note down this equation. This will be the equation to find out the moment of inertia with respect to centroidal axis. Okay, now things are gonna be simple. You need to find out all these unknowns. Igxx, you know that for first section it's BD cube by 12. Here also BD cube by 12. The main thing is that the BD cube means B should be parallel to x axis. Okay, that means this direction 80 mm. Here it will be 20 mm, right? Okay, now area you can find it out. Y bar a1 x1 plus, that means centroid. Y bar and x bar are the centroid. Y1 y2. Let's see. So first of all I have done Ig1 xx. See, Ig1 xx means for this thing, right? That's BD cube by 12. That means 80 into 20 cube by 12. That is Ig1 xx. Ig2 xx becomes this 20 into 100 cube by 12. Okay. Now Ig1 yy, what it becomes for section yy. Yy means parallel to y, it becomes db cube by 12. That means 20 into 80 cube by 12. Here similarly Ig2 yy means 100 into 20 cube by 12. Okay, this will come like this. Now you need to find out the centroid x bar and y bar, right? And a1 a2 you can easily find out. Y1, right? X1 y1 y2 etc. So this is our 0 point. So y1 and x1. Y1 means the distance from here to centroid of this part. Okay, so this is 20 by 2 10. From this point to this point is the y1, right? So this is 100 plus 10. So y1 is 110, right? Now y2, what will be y2? Y2 will be somewhat around here, right? That is 100 by 2, that is 50. Y2 will be 50. Now x1 is here, right? That means from here to here distance, right? 40 mm. X2 will also be 40 mm, right? Okay, now you got all these values. First you need to find out x bar and then y bar, right? x bar y bar becomes, just substitute it, you will get 40 and 76.67, and then ixx, you just substitute in this big equation, you will get this ixx as 4.9 into 10 power 6 mm raised to 4, and iyy is equal to 9.2 into 10 power 5 mm raised to 4. Okay, so this is the exact procedure for all sections. If you know the concept, or at least if you know this equation, you can simply solve these problems. Okay, so for that I am giving you some exercise homework that should be done by this Saturday. Okay, you just try to do this one. An I section has following dimension, top and, see, for an I section or T section, whatever it may be, you can name it as, that means for I section, these two things are called as, is a flange, you call it as flange, and this thing is called as web. Okay, so if you are given that flange width means flange width 120 mm, this is the width, depth of web is 180 mm, thickness of web is 10 mm. Okay, all these things they have given. Okay, now the thing is that you need to find out the moment of inertia of this section. Okay, clear? The question is simple. You can have three sections here, I 1, 2 and 3, and from these three sections the Ixx will be Ig1 xx plus A1 into y bar minus y1 plus Ig2 xx plus A2 into y bar minus y2 plus Ig2 xx plus A3 into y bar minus y3. And for Iyy also similarly you can find it out. Similarly you also find this equation. Calculate moment of inertia of shown figure. Okay, this is homework. Okay, please do this homework. Okay, so while doing this homework, I need to please upload this cam scanner, please upload this all problems that we have done through this series. Okay, lecture series, I need all these, and you need to do these two problems also. So for weekly we will be doing, or I'll be analyzing your report, right? You need to submit the photos of this in a PDF, that will be easier, right? അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവരും നമ്മൾ ഇത്രയും ചെയ്ത എല്ലാ പ്രോബ്ലംസും എഴുതിയതെല്ലാം ഒരു നോട്ടിലാക്കി ഈ രണ്ട് പ്രോബ്ലംസും ചെയ്ത് ശനിയാഴ്ച വെക്കുക. ഓക്കെ, ആൻഡ് അടുത്ത ആഴ്ച ഇതേപോലെ നോട്ട്സോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ചെറിയ ഹോംവർക്സോ തരും, അതും ഇതേപോലെ വെക്കണം. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഇതെല്ലാം നമ്മുടെ അസൈൻമെൻറ്റുമായിട്ട് കണക്ട് ചെയ്യും, റൈറ്റ്? സോ പ്ലീസ് follow this. Thank you.